Hi, I'm Jen, and this womb healing visualization is for the woman who longs to feel safe in her body and trust herself again. Now, this will help you release self-doubt, soften your fear, and reconnect with the deep safety that lives within you. Now, this is the kind of practice that I really love sharing, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to return to your true self, explore womb healing, and just really feel like you again. So let's dive in. Coming into a comfortable position, it doesn't really matter if that is laying down, sitting up. What really matters for this practice is that I want you to feel really supported and safe. So whatever that may be, if that's sitting up or laying down, just coming into that comfortable position. And then just arriving here, just taking a few soft breaths, maybe keeping your eyes open for the moment. I know you may have just rushed around, so I just want you to arrive in this space. And sometimes when we start to close our eyes straight away, we can just, not quite be in the moment and just run through all of the things that we need to do. So let's just really ground down first and really arrive in the space and really just give yourself permission to be here. Now this is your time just to soften and just to return to yourself. So let's just start off with a few deep breaths. Maybe placing your hands onto your belly if that feels good, onto your lower belly, over your womb space. And then just breathing into your hands. Maybe extending that exhale a little bit longer. And really drop into the space. And then when you're ready here, just closing your eyes. You can keep your hands over your lower belly or release it, whatever feels good. And then just releasing down with your exhale. And then I want you to imagine roots extending from your womb space and your spine going deep into the earth. Maybe with every exhale, sending those roots deeper into the ground. Really feel the ground holding you, supporting you, Mother Earth really giving you all of the support that you need here. Keep breathing. And then maybe if it feels good for you, setting an intention here. Maybe I'm safe to be here. Or maybe it's I am safe to land in my body. Or maybe it's something completely different. Whatever it is that comes to mind, just trust that this is what your intention is meant to be for today. And then I want you to bring your attention to your womb space. Just taking a deep breath in here for a moment. Feeling the roots really anchoring you into Mother Earth, into this ground. And then I invite you to feel your womb as a vast inner landscape, a wild natural sanctuary. Notice any textures, colors, sensations, anything that you see or feel. There is no right or wrong here. Whatever it is that is triggered when I say wild natural sanctuary. Just have a look around and maybe have a little wander. Just notice, and also notice anything that comes up here for you. There is no need to change anything, just notice. And as you wander through this lovely landscape, just notice a stream flowing through the space ahead of you. Now walk to that stream. And just notice that this stream is clear, flowing, and notice all of the aliveness with gentle movement, like the little ripples, maybe almost like little waterfalls even. Just notice what comes up here. And then I invite you to notice how the water reflects safety and flow. And maybe what that means to you. And then as you may be sitting beside the stream, standing beside the stream, I want you to gather up any fears, self-doubt, any mistrust, anything heavy that you've been carrying, and one by one release them into the stream. Maybe you put them straight in the stream, maybe you put them onto a leaf and see them float away. If you putting them directly into the stream, maybe watching them dissolve. However you imagine this here, however you're releasing all of those fears, mistrusts, doubts, etc. Just notice how they get carried away with ease by the stream, and how Mother Nature transmutes all of that back into love, into fertile soil. So just one by one now releasing everything into the stream. And then once you feel lighter here and have released what you need to release, I invite you to either dip your hands or your whole body into the stream. And then visualize the water filling you with renewal, clarity, and deep trust. Just spending some time here submerged in the water, whether that's your hands, your whole body. There is no right or wrong. Really letting that water fill you up with all of the nourishment that you need here. All of the clarity, all of the deep trust. And then imagine golden ripples flowing through your womb until it fills up your whole womb space. And then imagine it, those ripples going up into your heart. And then up into your mind. And then from there in every single cell until your whole body is full of golden ripples. Just feeling the sense of renewal that these golden ripples have, sense of excitement, and whatever else it may bring up here for you. Maybe it's hope. Again, whatever it is, there is no right or wrong here. And then if it feels good for you, I invite you to repeat the following affirmations after me, either out loud or in your head. I trust myself. My body is a safe home. I am held and supported. And then let these words really sink in and take a root in your body. And then I invite you to take a moment just to thank the stream for its support, for taking everything away from you today that it doesn't serve you right now. And also know that this place is always within you to come back to. And then slowly bringing your awareness back onto your womb space. Feeling more spacious, clearer, lighter. Just taking a few breaths here into your womb. And maybe giving your womb some gratitude today. And then slowly bringing some movement back into your body. Maybe wiggling your fingers, your toes. Just whatever feels good here. And in your own time, whenever you're ready, just really coming back, bring your awareness back into this space fully and into your body fully. And then gently blinking your eyes open. Maybe taking a moment to show yourself some gratitude for showing up today. If you'd like to go deeper, join me inside the Sacred Pause. Now this is my 40-minute free womb healing and Reiki gathering where we journey even deeper into trust and clarity. Sign up in the link below.